Hey people, this is Karlova and I brought a new bag to you today. This is finally something for men that I just made. It's a messenger, it's the second bag in the series of Contour. So today we're gonna make this minimal and stylish thing. And it works this way. So you open this. I'm starting with the small stuff. First, the D-ring holder, just to not be distracted by it later. Next, I assemble the swivel hook holder. It's just the same way, but a little longer. Next, we're going to attach the D-ring to the front panel. Note that there's two more holes on the front panel than it is on the D-ring holder. So this way we can secure the edges. And you should stitch the D-ring holder towards the top. So D-ring looks at the top. Now we're gonna take the big piece and the pocket and stitch it together with the gusset. The gusset has one more hole on each end, on each side, so you should start attaching the big part, the back panel, from the second hole, and the first hole in the gusset just secures the edge. I do it pretty much on every pattern like this, because I don't like the free edges, so that's the way I do it most of the times. And this is the overlapping seam, and gusset is on top, so just complete this long seam. And at the hole number 10, counting from the top, you insert the pocket just on top of the back panel and stitch it in between the back panel and the gusset. And I have marked the holes in the middle of the pocket when I was cutting it out, so I know where to insert the swivel hook holder. So it's a little bit tough operation here because you're going to be stitching through 5 layers, but just go slow and you'll be fine. Now after finishing with the back panel, we're gonna stitch the front panel just the same way. Remember, the first hole just secures the edge of the front panel, and on each end we have one more hole on the gusset. Make the keepers, there's two of them. I'm gonna do it this way, and you can make them any other way you like. Now on to setting the rivets on the shoulder strap, and you can adjust the length of that strap to your liking. And by the way, I do not recommend this setter because it leaves scars on the leather. So I use custom domer that was made for me in Guatemala, but that black one that actually sets the burr, I don't recommend using that one. And voila! So hopefully you enjoyed this video and enjoy making ContourMSG, and don't forget to like and subscribe.